Creating a macro in Zendesk helps streamline responses to common customer inquiries, improving efficiency and consistency. Here's how to create a macro. Access admin settings. Log into your Zendesk account. Click the gear icon in the sidebar to access the admin settings. Navigate to macros. In the admin settings, go to Business Rules, Macros. Click on Add Macro. Create a new macro. Choose whether you want the macro to be available to all agents or only to you. Click Create Personal Macro or Create Shared Macro accordingly. Name and describe the macro. Enter a descriptive name for the macro in the title field. Add a description to help identify its purpose. Define actions. Specify the actions the macro should perform. Common actions include set subject, predefine the ticket subject, set tags, add relevant text to categorize the ticket, set status, change the ticket status, add comment, insert a predefined response or message into the ticket. You can use placeholders to personalize messages, such as this. Add attachments. If needed, attach files to the macro by clicking Add Attachments and selecting the file from your computer. Save the macro. Once all actions are defined, click Create Macro to save it. Use the macro. To use the macro, open a ticket, click on the Apply Macro button in the ticket interface and select the macro from the list.